So this one is a Honda Civic FD 1.8 na automatic transmission. So naka full exhaust, headers, and intake. So gusto ni sir ay mawala lang yung delay, tsaka mas gumanda yung takbo ng sakyan. So our final output for the FD from 114 to 132 and 131 to 158 wheel torque in Newton meters. So yan ang difference from stock and after ng custom ECU tune by Midnight Street Performance.